PDDS or PDP with Lakas CMD?
No.
No?
No, I cannot. Because nandyan si Marcos. Hindi ako believe na he's really a weak leader. Kaya ako sabi, totoo yan, hindi ako naninira ng tao. Talagang weak. Kasi spoiled child, only son. Of course, he can talk. He delivers English articulate. Pero ang-aral kasi kung saan-saan sa labas. Pero sabihin mo may crisis, gano'n. Yeah. He's a weak leader. At saka may bagahe siya. Noon nga sinasabi ko sa'yo. Totoo yan. I do not voice lies. Masisira ka. Pero bantay ka yan. Kamali ang Pilipinas na.
Is there going to be a coalition between PDDS or PD?